Hi everybody, Jody Marketplace Boutique. Well, today I have a plan to go to a thrift store. It's a 25-cent day. However, no clothes is included, which I think is crazy because a lot of these thrift stores have an overabundance of clothing. So I am going to a thrift store to see maybe if they have jewelry for 25 cents. That'd be a good deal, right? So I'm looking forward to that if I could find a decent parking spot. But if it's packed, I'm not going to do that. And then I'm going to Home Depot where I buy something special to clean my eBay items. I have been selling for, so I've been selling since 1998, I believe, and I've never had a problem. So I send my things out clean because I don't want to touch them dirty. That's why. And you know, there are things that you take special care with. You know, I never mind hints on YouTube on how to clean things. I think it's awesome. But when it's insulting, it's like, well, maybe ask, you know, if I've done it a wrong way before blaming me would be nice. Just saying. Boy, it's one of those days.
You filthy animal.
So I am going to get on with my day. So I am gonna go to some places. I'll always share some tips with you on how to clean some stuff. You know, I'm sure there's different ways to do things, but I'm not a cleaner. And I like to put some sanitizer in the things that I clean. So let's go get some. Okay, so here we're at the Red Barn, I think it's called Red Barn. No, it looks like a Red Barn. It's called Rustic Market. And it's 25-cent day. So let's see what they have. Almost for 25 cents with a bunch of hair pieces. What a great deal. Let's see if we can find some scarves. Look at that pretty one. I think that one came from Maurice's. Ooh, that's cute. I love scarves for the winter. They keep you warm in the cold Michigan weather. Some of the scarves can be worth quite a bit of money. You just gotta look at the tags. And you can kind of see the quality too. I don't mind digging. Let's go. Ooh, what is this thing? Look at that. That's nice and chunky. Pretty chunky one. I have a good collection of scarves because it gets cold in the winter. Actually, I have some ideas. These would be great. These would be great if you have a little cat that you want to just keep warm to lay on. So let's see what they got. Maybe I'll find some more of those. Okay, so you can find some really nice coats, a lot of really good deals. And if you look here, this one is a name brand, but it's $16, which would sound really good, but for $16 I would say no. But here's something at $15 that's about the same size that you could still make a huge profit on. Okay, it's 25-cent day, and as you can see here, there's a lot of wood items. And wood items are also something that sell really, really good on eBay. Just have to look for them. Okay, and for 25 cents you can't beat plush, but I would just look for quality. If you find quality or vintage, definitely look at picking it up. Oh, and crochet. Who could forget the crochet items? Crochet items sell awesomely well. What is this, a head? Very strange, but you never know. Okay, and here's another tip. Exercise items sell really, really good on eBay. Definitely look for quality. Victoria's Secret works great, and the bigger the size, the better. And never forget to look inside stuff like this. There's some really good stuff, and I'm pulling a lot of these crochet items out of this bin of different stuffed animals. You definitely have to dig, but hey, it's worth digging. Look at that. Okay, and something I do is always carry donations in a bag in my cart, and then when I go to a thrift store, I just drop it off. So this is a great time to drop off some donations. Okay, so I'm gonna head into Home Depot and I'll show you what I buy to use to clean with mostly all my eBay items. And if I can't clean it, I might not necessarily buy it because I like to have it clean and sanitized. I don't like touching things that are dirty, and I'm definitely not gonna ship dirty items. Okay, here we are at the Home Depot, and this is where I get my cleaning products. They have what's called Odoban or Odoban, I don't know. And that works really good. It's a sanitizer, it cleans stuff, it gets odors out. It's like the all-around perfect thing. You can see it all the way down here. All these Odoban things work really great. There's even some spray. I'm gonna get one spray just for because. I really like the linen sets, but I don't remember there's two different kinds, so I'm gonna get both. This one's Cotton Breeze, this one's linen. I'm gonna sniff them both. I gotta figure this out. Okay, as you can see here, it's excellent for fabric and upholstery and kills 99.9% of germs, so this is awesome. This stuff works so good. Oh, they even have a spray now. Oh my goodness, they have a spray. How awesome. I'm gonna get this spray too, and I'm gonna load up for the day, and this will be awesome. This stuff would also work really good in shoes, so if you're doing shoes or stuffed animals that you don't want to wash, this is perfect. Yay, look at, they even have this and I really need it, so we're gonna grab one of these too. If you don't have one of these are great. You can do walls, you can do ceilings, you can do ceiling fans, and you can do floors. Ooh, yummy. Look at, I had to stop at Culver's. Today's flavor of the day was a chocolate chunk toffee and peanut butter goodness. Yay! What a great day. So here is what I bought at the thrift store. I have been a bit busy girl. I found some like workout stuff and a really cute velvet shirt. I don't know what size it is, but I think it's kind of like one of those Amazon one size fits all. It's like a really cute duster. I found some hair things that you've seen. Bags of these really cute crochet things. It looks like somebody just made them and donated them. Really darling. Bags and bags of those. And then I did get some really cute scarves. I did find some of those. I got this like quarter bag of jewelry, lots of jewelry, lots and lots of stuff. So I'm thinking about selling it this weekend, having like a sale or preview or something like that, just to have fun. So there's my load.